Hi children, this is Sauchanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Today we are going to talk about the concept of area in mensuration. Okay children, what is meant by area? Do you have any idea of area? Okay children, here is the definition of area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. That means, children, look at these pictures here. All these pictures are closed pictures, and you know that the distance traveled along these boundaries is called perimeter. This I have explained in my previous video. This is nothing but perimeter, and the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. That is nothing but the space inside the perimeter is called area. So this we call as area. So from this we can say that all these are closed figures and the space inside the boundaries of closed figure is called area. So these boundaries, the distance traveled along the boundaries is called perimeter, and the space inside the perimeter is called area. So you know children, the perimeter deals with the boundaries of all the boundaries of the closed figure, and whereas area deals with the space surrounded by those boundaries. So this is area, and this is about area, and we'll see some of the real-time examples of area and perimeter. Children, look at these pictures here. This is a field, and if a farmer wants to fence this field, you need to find out, think about it, you need to find out perimeter, because to fence the field we need to find out the lengths of all the boundaries of the field. So this is nothing but perimeter. And when will you use area? To find out how many plants are required to sow this field. Suppose we wanted to sow any paddy something in the field, then we need to think about the area of those field, because to find out the required plants we need to find the area of the field. So it is dealing with the space between the boundaries of a closed figure. So this is nothing but then we need to find out the area of the field. And suppose, look at this board. To design this board with a wooden frame, suppose you wanted to design this board with a wooden frame, all the boundaries should be covered with a wooden frame. Then we need to think about the lengths of all the boundaries of a board, and that is nothing but perimeter. So we need to find out the perimeter here. In this problem we need to find out the perimeter. Suppose if you want to paint this board with a black or green, then we need to find out how many liters of paint is required per square unit to paint this board. You need to find out area, because area deals with the space between the boundaries of a closed figure. So this is to paint this board. First you need to find out the, suppose per square meter 200 grams of paint is required, then how much paint is required to paint the entire board. Then you need to find out the area of those boards, and like this we can find out the area and perimeter in such situations. And suppose if you decorate this cardboard with stars, then we need to find out the perimeter, because the stars are arranged along the boundaries of the closed greeting card. So we need to find out the lengths of the all the lengths of the greeting card, and we need to find out that is nothing but perimeter. And suppose you want to decorate the table with cloth, then we need to find out, it is dealing with the space inside the boundaries of the closed figure. So this is nothing but table. So this is dealing with the space between the boundaries. So we need to find out the area. In that situation, we need to find out the area. Children, this is about area and perimeter of the figures. And children, you can also find out the some real-time examples of perimeter and area. You can comment on the comment section. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you, children.